इसमें से आप इसको omit कर दें तो sentence will not make sense because you just gone to this guy, to that particular doctor. Hurricanes that are born off the coast of Africa often prove to be the most deadly. So again, they are only talking about from the coast of from the coast of Africa. So again, this is a restrictive clause. और इसको अगर आप omit करेंगे तो sentence will not make sense because you are only referring to the most deadly ones which comes from the coast Africa. Teacher who do not spend enough time on class preparation often have difficulty explaining new lessons. So again यहाँ पर आपने refer कर रहे हैं to the teachers who have laziness in preparing their lessons. So they are the one who do not spend enough time in the preparation. उनको problem होती है अपने explain करने your difficult lessons. So again this is again your restrictive clause. इसमें आप you cannot omit because you're only referring to the teachers who have problem in their enough time preparation, जो अपना time enough नहीं spend करते in preparing their sample lessons. Now what about the non-restrictive examples? आप सबसे पहले the first class में कर लें, this is with the comma. So even if you take this sample, this clause out, the sentence makes sense. For example, this rum which I bought in the Virgin Island is very smooth. So regardless where you buy it from, you are mentioning that you bought it from Virgin Island. Even if you take this information out, it still makes sense that this rum is very smooth. Film that has been exposed to X-rays often produces poor photographs. First तो ये है कि चूँकि इसमें comma नहीं है तो it is a restrictive clause. Plus इसमें that मौजूद है, that only comes in the restrictive clause. And second ये है कि this sentence में अगर आप इसमें exposure to X-ray निकाल दें तो sentence will not make sense because not every film have poor photographs, only the ones which are exposed to the X-rays. The another example is the woman to whom we gave the check has left. So we are only referring to the one who checked the left. So the woman to whom we gave the check has left. Again, there is no comma. It is a restrictive clause because we are not giving to everyone. So the only one we gave the check has left. So since we know get which, whom,